having a vintage car show, and as soon as I had heard about it last month, I told my brother, you gotta bring your vintage bikes down before you start breaking up the collection. This is number 12 right here. It's really pretty. All right, here's 13. This one's for my friend Doughboy. Check out that engine and this beautiful yellow. Sunshine. Sunshine. Hi, how's everybody doing?
We're enjoying the car show.
Yes. All right. I see my brother over there on the other side. Look at this Corvette. I did a little magic trick for all those guys that are sitting over there on the other side of the truck, and they all got a kick out of it. Then here on this property where Mom is, they have the dementia side, which is this side facing us here. And then the other side over there, they have large events in there. They have the huge pool, and that's for people 50 and over as well. But they have all the amenities here for you. You don't have to do anything. There's breakfast, lunch, dinner, everything's included in your rental fees. It's a beautiful place. This reminds me of ZZ Top.
Can everybody hear me?
Hello! Thank you!
So today's car show was for a pre-Father's Day car show for our residents here and also for our community. We want to thank everybody for coming out. Thank you. We've selected 2 cars, Resident's Choice. They selected the numbers.
On behalf of Westmont of Cypress, thank you so much for bringing your pride of joy out to show everybody, our residents and family members. So on behalf of Westmont of Cypress, we have a certificate for you, and most of all, a Cold Stone Creamery gift card. So thank you very much for coming back. Thanks a lot.
Next number is number 13.
I brought the magic.
You did. Oh, that's right, magic.
What year is your truck?
And also,
They've been here
for the
before.
beautiful yellow 1956 Ford F-100 pickup. So thank you so very much for coming out and sharing your pride and joy. I can only imagine how much time you
Oh,
spend
the
working on
sunshine
it.
truck.
Anyway, so you get a certificate from Westmont of Cypress and also a Cold Stone gift card. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, sir. So I want to thank everybody for being here
Yeah.
today, making this event special for my residents. Thank you so much, everybody, for participating and bringing your cars. I really appreciate it. And also, we have the vintage bicycles. We'd like to say thank you. Thank you to our DJ for the wonderful music.
Yes.
All right, let's keep it going here.
see the bikes. Everyone's over there. Oh, Janet's there. One of the girls that takes care of Mom. Oh, they're all here.
I like how you look, Isaura.
Everyone's just crazy.
We got all the girls. All our girls here. Oh, that one's nice. Oh, wow. Oh, it's a little safe. Is that attached on there? So did I.
Wait, you could open it with a book. Oh my goodness.
It's so you can lock up.
When I looked at it, he didn't mention that.
Like if you're out riding somewhere, you can lock your phone in here real quick.
I thought it was a real book.
Big five.
What? That is
You're supposed to put it like with your other books,
Oh.
and then you can put your jewelry. It's a cheapie box, but it's like a
cute
stash
though, because when you're writing, you can put your phone in there, you know, and you're all your like stuff.
book. I said,
Yeah, I thought it was a book. I thought it was a Bible. Let's go for a ride. Wait, what bike?
right this way.
Are you sure? I know I'm gonna break you.
Oh, this one's cute.
Put the keys down.
It looks like a little camping bike.
It is. It's a fold.
Oh, wow.
It's to take with you.
Too
If
cute.
you live on college campus, you take it for
Hey, this is so easy to ride. I like it.
that one's hard to rock because it's heavier. Yeah, right this way. It's so easy.
I don't think I've ever seen a Schwinn that small.
It's a 16 ounce.
Wow.
This one's all original.
Oh, I like that.
I know. Go fast? All right. Bye now. Wow, this was nice. I like it. Yeah, it's smooth.
I'm telling you, it's a solid price.
Yeah, you're good. You're good.
I've even rode it.
It's easy. Just help her a little. And then there you go.
It's probably in a different gear. Fit the look.
Thank you. We'll be back. I didn't know there was places. We'll be back.
Yeah. They came in their colors. So the apple crate, it was considered a red apple. This is the lemon peeler.
Yellow was my favorite. Here. Let me check. Despacito.
Es que está muy adorida.
Warm. Shoes are for
There you go. Camina a la derecha. Ya. Oh, sí. Está bien. Oh,
She just went from
she did good.